Hello, my name is Khadija Nyotsenga. I'm from RP Karongi College and I'm in my third year of IT, and my reg number is 22 RP 12123, and here I'm trying to develop the system that will help the user or client of Rwandans for accessing or for ordering the online product from existing shopping website called Amazon. So let's jump quickly to the codes, and here I'm trying to use the PyCharm IDE and using the Python language. So let's start for the code, and I'm here to explain each line of code for helping you to know the crucial role each line of code means in this system. Here we are trying firstly to import the Flask render template and request as the module for web handling. Here also for requests, for making HTTP requests to the Amazon, and here there is BS4. From BS4 we are importing the beautiful soup for passing HTML content. Here there is Open PyXL for working with Excel files that will help us to store all those information of the product from the Amazon. So here there is the OS for handling the file paths and the directories. Here we are trying to initialize the Flask application, and here there is the function called the product from Amazon for helping us to search the product from the Amazon. And also here this is the link or the URL to help us to search for product on Amazon. Means this link, it helps the users to be there on the Amazon by fetching those products based on the user needs. Here there is the header to simulate a browser request by preventing the blocking by Amazon. And here we are trying to specify the accepted languages, encoding types for response. This line means the encoding type for response. And let's jump to here. We are seeing the request.get. This method make the get request to fetch those search results based on the user search. This will help us to fetch all those searches. And also here we are passing the fetch HTML content, and here we are trying to initialize the list that is empt called the products underscore list. Means we are going to store the product details. After getting that product, you are going to see the more details for that product. And also here there is the code that will help us to find the all product element on page. Means after searching that product, we need to see all details of that product on the page. So here we are trying to extracting the price text, and here we are trying to see if the product name is valid. Means if the product name is already exist in the Amazon. Here there is an alternative way to find the price, and let's jump to the if the price conversion fails, skip this product. We don't need to specify the errors. The except means we are specifying if the error occurred or unexpected event in our system. This message must be displayed for the user. So here we are specifying that if the retailer name and the retailer email must be not available if there isn't there. So here we are extracting the product rating and we are adding the product to the list here. For you see that our list up there, firstly we are initiating this list as empty one. So here we are trying to make that list to be appended or to be extended by taking those data to include on that list. Here we are trying to return the product list, means all those details based on that product. Here we are trying to save the product data to Excel file so that you can go to the Excel file by seeing them there if you need to see it without browsing. Here we are trying to specify the function to save the product image. Yeah, it is the useful for the user to see also the image of the picture of that product need to buy or to order. So here the Flask cloud to handle the web requests based on the request of the user. And here I'm specifying my reg number as the file name of Excel that I will open to see all those details based on the user search or the need. And here we are rendering the result to the HTML template. So quickly let's learn our system, and before I learn this system I need to show you all the form that we will use for getting the user input. Actually we didn't get all those information without having the user input. So here we are trying to make the HTML page, and this is the CSS. I'm trying to use the header one or internal type of CSS, and here I'm trying to make the header that will show the user where there is. I'm called the Rwanda Shop Easy. So I'm trying to make the words that help the user to find the product from Amazon quickly so that they may be shopped and be ready to use it easily. And also here I'm trying to make a copyright or making the footer by specifying my names. Yeah, let's run it. We will see more. Here there is also the way we are trying to make all that results we get there to be printed on the table format. Here this is all the TD that will help us to list all those details. So let's go to learn so that we may see the output. Let's run it. It must be run on the server. Here you see there's Rwanda Shop Easy as a header specify, and here this is the message that tells the user they can find the product from Amazon quickly. So let's try to search. As you see here, we are trying to get the results for that search. Means we are seeing the results for electronics. That's what I search for. And here you are seeing all those details of the product I've searched for. Here there is the product name, product price, commission of fees, must be 10%, and total price, global rating. And for the retail name and retail email is not available, as you have seen in the code. This is the product picture, as I have said. And we may also search the retail goods. Let's see about the retail goods. And here there is the more information about retail goods. Also, this is the price of this product, commission of fees, and also the pictures and the total price. So let's quick try to search. We are going to search the product that didn't available on Amazon. Let's quick try to find it. So let's try like for searching laptop. If there is not laptop there, we can't get more detail for it. Just we are going to get the message say that the laptop we are searching for is not exist, or maybe I can search the phones. Let me type like this, and if I'm trying to search the phones, I will get the result for phones, means there is a phone there on this price, eco logo and a pit, so that we can see their pictures here. Thank you.